warning for southeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, northwestern Howard County in central Maryland, northern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, west-central Baltimore County in northern Maryland. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Carroll County in north-central Maryland,
Mount Airy. Yep, there it is.
northern Montgomery County in central Maryland, southeastern Frederick County in north-central Maryland, west-central Baltimore County in northern Maryland. Still those outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Winds and heavy rain could include Damascus, Ellicott City, Eldorado, Mount Airy, Chicago.
Yep, Mount Airy. I'm under it.
West Friendship, Lisbon, Louisville, Woodstock, Heber, Watersville, Greenwich, Butler Springs, Roseville, and Carrolltown. For your protection,
All right, I need your help again, Mr. 310. Go to your FM.
Damascus, Ellicott City, Eldorado, Mount Airy, Bakersfield, Oakland, Henriton, West Friendship, Lisbon, Louisville, Woodstock, Heber, Watersville, Greenwich, Butler Springs, Woodbine, Marriottsville, and Carrolltown.
And some other relatives are under it.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.